Yeah, glorp shit, like, damn it! Wish I was an alien from outer space. I don't want meds. I don't need meds, chat. I don't need them. I'm gonna rip your cock off. Imagine making a song out of that. I don't take meds! I don't need it! I don't have any! I don't take meds. I don't. Legitimately. You're in America. Go play with a gun. That sounds so mean. That sounds so fucking mean. Yeah, go play with a gun, you fucking dumb bitch. Oh. I think I coughed and now I'm getting the hiccups. I got the hiccups from coughing. Oh god. Oh, I hate that shit. What if I cough? Oh no. I'm gonna die. Oh god. Oh god. Oh Jesus, help. I get really bad hiccups when I cough. Oh god. Oh, please. Please, God, hold on. Let me drink water. Oh my god. I don't think I get hiccups often on stream, but I think it's the coughing mixed with yapping. You're not a fish. Hold on. I'm gonna hold my breath.
It sounds like popping bubble wrap Lamau.
Okay. I'm not gonna make myself pass out. I think that's like against Twitch rules. I actually think that if you force yourself to pass out on stream, you can get banned. No. I'm good. No dying on stream, please. Imagine you just hear a